Hey there, this is Basit and I'm here to review the Samsung Galaxy A50. Before going to video, click on that red subscribe button and enable the bell icon so you don't miss any useful videos. Let's get started. In the box, there are mobile units itself, a travel adapter, a USB Type-C cable, a transparent pouch, a pin for ejecting the SIM tray, a user manual, and some other documents. The main attraction of the Galaxy A50 is a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen, and it has a U-shaped notch. There is still a noticeable chin, but it's okay for a low-cost phone. The curved edges and the weightless build offers excellent in-hand feel. The rear panel has a glossy glass-like finish made of polycarbonate. In the bottom, there is the USB Type-C port as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack and a speaker. On the left, there are the buttons, and the SIM tray is on the right side. The phone comes with a fabulous Infinity U Super AMOLED screen. It has a Full HD Plus resolution with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The screen is vibrant with deep blacks and good viewing angles. The Galaxy A50 has an in-display fingerprint sensor. It's an optical sensor, not an ultrasonic one. Setting up the fingerprint sensor is a really easy process. It has also a fast face unlock feature you could use instead. The triple camera system is one of the major highlights of the Galaxy A50. It includes a 25-megapixel primary camera and a 5-megapixel depth sensor and an 8MP wide-angle camera. There is an LED flash right below the cameras. For selfie lovers, there is also a 25-megapixel camera inside the notch. The camera app has features like Pro Mode, Live Focus, Panorama, Slow Motion, Hyperlapse, and more. On selfie mode, it captures self-portraits with good details in proper lighting. It also comes with a live focus option which you can adjust. The Samsung Galaxy A50 is driven by an Exynos 9610 chipset. It has also a 64GB internal storage. It comes in two variants, 4GB and 6GB RAMs. On the software side, A50 has the all-new Samsung's One UI based on Android Pie. It's easier to use with one hand and has colorful iconography and stunning animations. Samsung has also added a night mode which certainly looks great on AMOLED panel. It comes with both on-screen navigation buttons and full-screen gestures. You can use the power button as a big speaker. That's it guys, please like the video and share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.